is a world first since about the year 900.
Exactly.
Right.
So I'm going to shove.
If you shovel the sand in,
Here we
Right.
we'll start turning.
And I'm going to add some lime.
Not madly convinced by the lime in the plastic buckets.
Well, it is the traditional unslaked lime.
And I mean, if you can use it and if it works, I mean, it's going to be such a labour-saving device, isn't it?
I think it's mixing it.
Go ahead.
Let's stop and have a look.
It is definitely mixing it. Look,
working.
look at this sand in here at the near the thing. Look, that is unmixed sand.
Yeah.
It's very red.
Well, it's not working there, then, is it?
Yeah, but look at that. Look at that white stuff in it.
Yeah.
That is the mixed up. You can feel it. Look.
Oh, look, that's pretty good.
It's
WAM's continuous mortar mixer WETMIX is the ultimate mixing device for any type of mortar supplied in building site silos. By pressing the start button on the control panel, the operator starts the machine and the water supply. By opening the valve at the bottom of the silo, dry material flows into the feeding zone. On arrival in the mixing chamber, the material comes into contact with water. The mixture reaches a consistent quality after approximately 10 seconds. Thanks to its technical design features and innovative materials, WETMIX is the perfect equipment for a great variety of mortars and plasters. Floor screeds, which require version with increased throughput rate, can be equally supplied. WETMIX can be restarted even when full of leftover material from the day before, although this is not recommended. The correct procedure is to close the silo valve and to wait for 20 to 30 seconds until water runs out from the discharge outlet. The self-cleaning of the mixing chamber is achieved thanks to WAM's special wear-resistant, non-stick liner made from the engineering polymer sinter. To check the efficiency of self-cleaning, you can strip down the rotor shaft in no time. Additionally, dry material leftovers may be discharged through the inspection hatch below the inlet port. However, neither operation is obligatory. Colored mortars require both rotor shaft and mixing chamber extension. Whereas a special tool rotating around the feeder screw in the inlet zone helps to crumble lumpy material. The modular mixer shaft can be completely taken apart. In this way, single mixing tools can be replaced. Should the polymer chamber liner be worn out, it is easily replaced, although this operation will hardly be necessary. The narrowing of the polymer liner between the dry feeding section and the wet mixing zone prevents wet material from penetrating into the dry section. WETMIX is equipped with a WAM-made gear motor drive. The discharge outlet safeguard, which is made of WAM's wear-resistant engineering polymer sinter, complies with CE regulations. WETMIX offers the user some considerable advantages compared to conventional mortar mixers. Robust and sturdy design, outlet safeguard in compliance with CE regulations, easily replaceable tool shaft and mixing chamber, both made from sint-type engineering polymer, low energy consumption, low maintenance cost means quick return on investment. The Italian producer Jesse Emiliani, who was kind enough to grant us permission to shoot the footage for this video, has used WETMIX since September 1998. Up until the day of the shooting at the end of April 2000, no spare parts had been ordered. With the very first mixer, Jesse Emiliani produced 700 tons of mortar from September 1998 to April 2000. Every user knows that downtime of half an hour per day is required for cleaning when traditional mortar mixers are used. Cleaning with WETMIX is automatic and completed in a matter of seconds.